Okay, today I'm gonna change AT&T Maestro Max. AT&T Maestro Max. First time I changed the screen, so let's start. So I'm guessing it's gonna be the same concept as other one like Samsung and stuff. So we're gonna remove the back. We heat, and after we heat, we put like a razor. We get like a playing card. And we try to get our okay, hopefully we don't break the fingerprint connector. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna make sure we don't break the... Okay, so here we go. So basically it's still connected. You have to be careful about this. Try to push it out. Okay, when we get the fingerprint inside, we remove this. Now we have screws all around. Let's remove them. Need the screwdriver. One, two, three. Okay. As you can see, a lot of screws. Okay, don't forget those black screws on the side here. It's hard to see. There's one more here. We need to remove the SIM card. Try to turn this off. Okay, after remove the SIM tray, we're gonna just take out the frame. Again, this is Cricket AT&T Maestro Max, the phone cord. Again, first time I fix it, so I'm just guessing it. Okay, so we have the new screen here, so let's guess it's gonna go from here and go all the way to here, so like this. So this is the connector. Okay, so we need to remove the battery, and now looks like this is the glue for the battery. Ooh. Let's heat the bottom a little bit so we can remove the battery easy. Okay, after we heat it, let's try to remove it. Okay, when you remove the battery, make sure you return it, since it's hot, flat and nice, so you don't have a problem when you put it back. Yeah. As you can see, this is the cable for the screen. So now we have to remove the screen from here. Again, we're gonna heat, so we try don't break it, so maybe this one didn't work or something. Okay, we're heating it now and waiting. Okay, when we heat it, now we need to get a... it's too hot. Get a razor. It's hard to save it. It's too broken. Okay. Best part is when you get under it, you can put the playing guard and go around it. Alright, here we go. Okay, you can go around. You know that's the cable on the side. Around, around, around. Alright, and here we go, we removed it successfully. So now you need to clean the frame from all the remaining glasses. And since we're here, why we don't try this one? Let's see if we can try it, like maybe put the charger in it or something. You can see if it's gonna work. Let's see, at least have a light. Nope, I don't know. Probably we need to have the battery to get something out of it. Anyway, I know what to do. It looks clean now. I will clean it a little more. Let me put this. So it's perfect. Put this. Let's put the battery. Battery like this. Okay, like this, man. Try to turn it on. I think the on button is this one. Here. No, the last one. Shit. There we go. It's working. We need to test the touch. After we test the touch, we can just deglue it, and that's it basically. Here we go. Damn, nice. All right, we can turn it off. Power, power. Okay, after we make sure it's working, we remove the battery. And then we remove the... Okay, after we clean it, we need now to put double tape. Okay, looking for a scissor to cut the double tape. I found one here. Alright, we're gonna put one here. Okay, after we got the tape ready, we remove the double tape so we can glue it. Now me, I like to put couple of them on this. Can put one here. And another one here. Alright, we put it back. After we put back, we're gonna... Oh, but before we tape it, we need to remove the camera cover. Didn't pay attention. Alright. Here we go. Nice, nice, nice and clean. Nice and clean. You can see here we can remove this one, so we get more. All right, now we put back the okay. After we did this, we need to put this one. Here we go. Nice and clean. Put back the SIM card. Turn it on again. Make sure it turn on. Now we put back the screws. Perfect. Okay, that's it. You just need to put the screw back and put the glue this back and it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.